Without proper gutter protection, rainwater and debris can pool around the foundation, leading to water damage and a weakened structure. Clogged gutters can cause roof rot, foundation cracking, and pest infestations. Failing to maintain a gutter system can lead to costly repairs down the line and potential health hazards from water contamination. Leafless in Seattle offers a variety of gutter protection systems, including our signature micro mesh filter. This filter helps disperse water evenly along your roof and into the gutter system, while its proprietary copper mesh interweave prevents leaves and debris from sticking, as well as algae growth from clogging the screen. Cleanup is a breeze, and with a lifetime no-clog guarantee, you can rest assured your home is protected from water damage. We also offer customizable gutter guards to fit your home's unique needs, heated gutter guards for areas with heavy snow and ice, and rainwater harvesting systems to conserve water and help you qualify for the RainWise rebate program. At Leafless in Seattle, our experienced professionals are committed to providing excellent customer service and top-quality gutter solutions backed by a no-clog lifetime guarantee. Contact us at 1-800-503-7597 today for reliable gutter installation and protection.